Cordial greeting to all. This is the course material design for virtual environment. This is the final activity, integration of activities in a web 2.0. I'm Olga Rivera. May 27, 2018. Final test, integration of activities in a web 2.0. The design of material in virtual learning environment education becomes increasingly competitive, and to achieve a better educational level requires the support of resources to help us in the process of teaching students as they are didactic material developed in virtual learning environment. It uses them to guide and motivate the student in the construction of knowledge. It says that they share and supporting the learning process of the student through publication of innovative pedagogical system using tools technological, either to use them in the presential classes, in distance education, or in the blended education. Objective, general objective, to prepare teacher and student about the necessary tools for the design of didactic material for virtual environment so that they know how to take into account all the topics related to ICT tools, Web 2.0 tools, and teaching material. Specific objective to encourage a critical attitude on the main components to generate a creative attitude in the design of material for virtual environment. To develop some of the necessary tools that can be developed in training as a foreign language teacher to customize their own material. To conduct online assessment using the didactic tool offered by the Web 2.0. Integration of activities in a Web 2.0. In this case, I use the weeks for develop the topic that I choose. Preposition of time and preposition of place, which is an online editor that allows us to create and publish a website in Flash index, in search engines, free of charge with a type of address like www.com. In this case, we can edit the name according to our topic. Integrate pedagogically the WIS tool as a repository of curricular content in the teaching and learning process. In parallel, the specific purpose are to check where the use of ICT in the classroom improves academic performance and know the opinions of the student about the positive aspects, advantages that are derived from the use of ICTs, and therefore WIS regarding the traditional use of the textbook in the classroom. Here is the web page. We can upload the different texts and the different images according to our topic. This class will be developed in 10 classes. The first class is about preposition of place. This is the different topic. I can add the different anchors in this page. In this icon, we can aggregate the anchor and more. Previously, we can upload our audio and copy this and page in the editor, and here is the result. This is the second class about this audio. Also, the third class is about preposition of times. Also, it contains the explanation of at, on, in, and also upload an audio, and we can choose the embed code, and in the editor in the same we can add the information, and the result is this. Or directly we can hear the audio here.
Let's start by looking at
It is in the code embed to state in the same web page. Also, we can to upload the images to summary the topic. In class is a summary about preposition of place, time, uses of the different. It was on YouTube that also we can to embed the codes. Also in this option, videos, we can choose YouTube, we can copy the link, our video. This is the result. It is the best way to do a summary of all topics, and also we can aggregate the different expression and also a summary about the different words that we can use with these prepositions. And also we can create it to design the different materials. And also the flashcard is a good tool because a student through the images can understand and appropriate their knowledge. Also here there are another flashcard. It is about preposition of movement. Also according with the images, the student can to appropriate their knowledge. Another class is two classes about exercise and practice. Each of these class is of 45 minutes is one. In this case, complete the following preposition of place. This was an activity that was created in this web page called EducaPlay. We can choose the different activities. In my case, I'm going to complete. So this is the result of the activity. We can start and fill the information. Here is the time. Previously at that, we can check how is the activity complete. These are the words to use. We can to configure according our topic, and we can to copy this embed code, and also in the editor we can adjust according with the site. There is another activity that was create. The first exercise or practice was also in EducaPlay, and the following was supported also through a YouTube activity that we can to train them listening skills.
Preposition of time.
Here there are an
May 21st.
dialogue. This dialogue the student can hear and fill the preposition of time according with the dialogue. We can check this, and this is the classes about exercise and practice. The another activity for the next class is expressions and other use. Also it's necessary the audio, also the same is copy the embed code, and this is the result.
In English, though, there's always an exception to the rule.
Was the exercise practice composed two activities, and this is a class about final test. The final test was created in the web page 2.0 called in Quiz Me Online. We can to write this link and make a quiz. We follow with the type of question, if we choose true or false or multiple selection. In my case I use multiple selection. You can check the previous question and the answers. There are 4 answers, or we can choose one is the correct. We say yes or not, it is the correct. And when we finish, we can click in this icon, save, and this is the result. We can copy this link, preposition of time, place, copy this and paste it in this button that, and this is the result. Here is the 24 previous to check the following and the previous. This is the last question, and we can complete the quiz, and this was the score. We can check what was our mistake. Previous, we can edit. We can observe who create the quiz, and previous of this we can check the different activities. So in the description of the video I will copy and paste this week to verify the different activities. That was preposition of place, preposition of time, the expression, the exercise and practices, and we can check the tests in the link of the description of this YouTube video. Conclusion: there is no doubt that the use of didactic material facilitates teaching and constitutes an auxiliary element in the learning process, functioning as a mediator in the education of students in virtual learning environment. That is why didactic material must be used that are presented through the technological tools that are commonly used for student. Innovative material were thought out in specially manufactured to teach and learn from, so that they capture the student attention and allow them to acquire certain concepts, and thus contribute to the development of their logical thinking, same time that they feel motivated with their learning. With the use of the different didactic material through the ICT, a quality education can be provided to greater number of students. The institution educational must be prepared to offer this education with a physical, technical and technological team able to meet the challenge